I think it is we can start with this session. So I think we already discussed this question in earlier class. This was also discussed in the earlier session. And I think these are few of the questions that we can take in today's session, and then we'll move to the mensuration. Mensuration is a very important topic. Mensuration is all about, measuring area, volume, and that is also the last chapter of geometry. So hopefully on 1st June, though on Wednesday I have kept your LRDI class, and the LRDI arrangement 2 is yet to be covered. So I would request everyone to present their LRDI 2 arrangement is already shared with you. I would request you to go through that one. So please do it, because then I will be able to complete all LRDI question in one class. Otherwise, it will be going to take a longer time. Fine. So let's start with this one. I'm sure by now all of you must have tried. Can you tell me what will be the answer of this? Everyone present here. P is the midpoint, that is what is given here, of BC. E is the midpoint, that is also the midpoint given here. AB, BC and EF are parallel. EF, AD and BC. I hope you understand D is here. Find the area of ABP. I need to find, area of ABP is given as a 4 square unit. You need to find out the area of triangle ECP. Okay. Now it is ABP. I know if the length of this is X, this will be also X. If this is Y, this will be also Y. So when I talk about area of ABP, can I say it is half of X into Y into sine of angle between them is equal to 4 square unit. What is ECP? Now when I talk about ECP, I would say it is half of EBC. It is half of the area of triangle EBC. Why so? Because I know E is the top point. If you are dropping a perpendicular from here, if you are taking BC, rather than that, if you are taking only the half of the portion, the area of that will be half. So what is the area of EBC? I'll say it is Y into 2X into sine of angle between them. I believe it is clear. Now, X, half of X into Y into sine B. That is 2 is taken as a common, and it is half of X into Y into sine B. I can write it in this form. What is that? So I will say that this is coming out to be, I know it is half of, X into ABP, this is 2Y. So if I take this 2Y here, I know I will be taking the half of this portion. So my dear, can I say the area of this will be coming off the half of the earlier portion? That will be coming out to be what? Half of 4 is 2. I hope you understand. So if I talk about ABP, it is half of 2Y into X into sine of angle between them. This is equal to 4. This is given as a 4, ABP. Now when I talk about area of triangle EPC or ECP, I'll say it is half of X into Y into sine B. I believe it is clear. Fine. So it is half of X into Y into sine B. Why? Because this is Y. And from this is coming out to be Y, because if you are going to take this whole triangle, it will be coming out to be 2X. In that case, it is EBC. So in that case also, you can say that it is coming out to be what? It is coming out to be, this value is coming out to be 4. But I want this one only. It is not 2X, it is only X. It is half of X into Y into sine B. So I know half of 2X into Y into sine B is equal to 4. So I can say this value will be half of 4. That will give you the answer, is it? Is it fine now? Clear, everyone? I hope everyone understand that. Come on fast, do tell me.
Sir, how did you say that triangle ECP is equal to half of triangle EBC? The area of triangle ECP is equal to half of area of angle EBC.
Yeah. How did I say that?
Yes.
Okay. What is the area of triangle if this is A, this is B, it is sine theta? Can I say it is half of AB into sine theta?
Yes.
If I connect it as the middle point, what will be the area of this portion? This is middle point. Can I say it is half of A by 2 into B into sin theta. Am I right? मैम ये टोटल A है, अगर आपने इसका मिडिल पॉइंट लिया तो A/2 हो जाएगा ना. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या हुआ, ये B है, दिस इज थीटा. कैन आई से हाफ ऑफ A/2 into B into sin थीटा? बताइए आपको समझ में आए? Say yes, no. Just we? Is it
Got it,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब मैम अगर इसका एरिया हाफ होगा तो ये आगे वाले का भी एरिया हाफ होगा, because the base is both of these length are A/2. So from this, if you are also dropping it, can I say the area of this portion is equal to this one portion? So from
Yes.
there I can say it is same. ठीक है.
Got it. हाँ जी.
Kindly
Thanks,
take a screenshot of this. And even I don't think this is needed. Look at this. This is the middle point. I take it as a y, I take it as a x. So area of triangle ABP, I will say half of x into 2y into sine of angle between them is equal to 4. I know now this is half and the base is also half. If you look at this triangle, if this is 2x and having some area, if I take the half of the portion, can I say the area of both of them will be same, because it is half of the total area of this? And I can see this is 2x and y. So same baat hui, half of 2x into y into sine B is same. I'm talking about this whole triangle. Look at this. But I don't want this whole triangle. I want this half wala portion. So can I say whatever is the area earlier coming out, I will take half of it, which is equal to 2 square units. Now, let's come to this question, very interesting one. In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, BC is perpendicular to DC. BAD is equal to 45 degree, DC is 5, BC is 4. Find the area of trapezium. By the way, this is what is considered as a trapezium. One pair of sides are parallel. You can also have this type of figure as a trapezium. One pair of sides are parallel. Fine. So I would request you, it is already given AB is parallel to DC. So come on, try to find out the answer. Okay. No response. So in a trapezium, AB is parallel to DC, BC is perpendicular. So it is ABC is perpendicular to CD. Fine, this is what I thought. BAD is 40. BAD is 45 degree. Do you think is it 45 degree? No, it is more than 90 degree if we are going to take it out. So I know one thing is certainly going to happen, that this A would be extended one. Fine, because the angle is coming out to be lesser here. So I'll say now it is looking like 45 degree. This is ABCD. BAD is 45 degree, DC is 5, BC is 4, and the area of trapezium in a square unit. I can drop a perpendicular to this one. I hope you can understand that. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, because it is going outside. So I can say this is also 45 degree. I know this is 4. Now find the area of trapezium that is given here. Can I say this is 4? So this will be also 4. What is the area of trapezium? I know this is the rectangle of the area of 4 5s are 20. I believe it is clear. The area of this is half of the base into altitude, which is coming out to be 8. So the total sum of this value will come out to be 28. That's your answer. Some of you may be thinking, why did not you consider it like this? Of course, this is BC is parallel to CA. My dear, you need to look at this. This cannot be 45 degree. This is more than 90 degree. So if you want it to be 45 degree, it should be like this. It should be lesser angle. That is the reason why the D is going to come here. Is it fine, clear, everyone there? I expect a yes from all of you. Or of course, you can write a no if it is not. समझ में नहीं आया तो नहीं लिखिए, आया तो हाँ लिखिए. Okay, thank you. Ritik, Jaswin, Ritika, Shubham, Tanya, Aman, Ashwin says yes. Thank you, Jobin, Khushi Kumari. Fine. So everyone says a yes. I believe it is clear to all of you. Let's come to the next one. You can easily do this. Sorry for not sending you the solution of this, because I thought you first try and then we will discuss. Here is B. They are 90-90 given here. Find the perimeter, means sum of the length. All the length are given. Only one length is there. This is what I need to find out. So come on, try out. Fine, Jaswin, Ritika. Can I drop a perpendicular from here as well? You know, this will be also 5 because this is 5. I'm sure all of you know about 12, 5, 13. 5, 12, 13. This process is already discussed. So once you know that this is coming out to be, you know, this part is 12. Can I say this is 4? So this is also 4. So can I say the length of AB is 13, BC is 4, 5 plus 16. Rest of the values are given. So this is 20 plus 18 is 38. Answer is 38. I believe it is clear. Khushi Kumari, is it clear? Shubham Singhal, area नहीं निकालना शुभम. हाँ, area नहीं निकालना. Good, Jasmine, Ritika, you got it correct. Okay, Ritik. Here we go. Let's try to solve it. This is what you need to find out. Come on. This is inscribed me, it is going to touch it. All the four sides are going to be touched by the circle. The circle is like this. Fine. Come on, get the answer now. This is 3 pi by 16. This is pi by 8. I think now it is beautiful. Okay, Jasmine. I would request you to try it once more. Okay, everyone, please pay attention here. There are a few things that I want to tell you. There's a trapezium. if you connect this point, you know, this is the middle point taken, this is the middle point taken. I would request you to please listen to this part. So I know when you are going to connect it, and this is parallel to this one. These are middle points, of course, they will be parallel. You remember that whenever there's a triangle and that is parallel to this, the ratio of these sides will be same as this side is same as this side. I hope you remember similarity we discussed about. So here, if it is the middle points are connected, I'll say the ratio of this is same as the ratio of this. Fine. So this point must, this line must be parallel to this as well as this. In trapezium, these two are already parallel. So this one will be also parallel to both of these. So just a second. So what we can do. So here what we do is, I know this is the middle point, so this must be also divided in equal part. Fine. So I know this is 14. From this, I can say this is 7. I hope you agree with this one point. If this is 14, this will be coming out to be 7 here. So this part is 7. Now you look at the upper one triangle. If I'm talking about this triangle, this is the middle point. I'll say the ratio of this and this will be same as the 1:2. This is 2, my dear. Can I say this is 1? So the length of, if I'm going to connect this, I'll say this is 8. Is it fine? Whenever there is a trapezium with one pair of sides are parallel and their length are A and B, if you are going to connect the middle point, the length of this is A plus B by 2. I believe it is clear. The length of the middle portion, if you are going to connect the middle point and then stretch the line, that will come out to be A plus B divided by 2. Is it fine? You can cross check it. 7 plus 1 is 8, which is 14 plus 2 divided by 2. So you can remember this is the standard formula. Of course, you will not be proving it in the examination. So whenever there's a trapezium, you are going to connect the middle point, the length of the middle, you know, connecting the middle point, the length of that line will be coming out to be half of sum of the length of the parallel sides. I believe it is clear to all of you. Please ask if there is a query. Fine. So now what I do is I'll draw perpendicular on both sides. I know this is 2. This is parallel to this one. So this one will be also 2. Sorry, it is little longer, but consider this to be 2 as well. I know it is isosceles trapezium. 2 sides are equal. So I know if we are going to drop it like this way, both of these length will be same. So I know 12 minus 2 is 14 minus 2 is 12. I'll say this will come out to be 6. And my dear, this will also come out to be 6. I hope you agree with it. You know, this is 10. This is 6. Can I say this is also 8? Fine. Why? You know, in right angle triangle, I told you 3, 4, 5 ka formula lagta hai. Yeah. 3, 4, 5. So if you double them, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, and 5 2s are 10. So I'll say this is a property through which I can find out the distance between, perpendicular distance between the parallel lines or trapezium, the parallel sides of the trapezium. I can find out the distance between them, which comes out to be 8 here. Any question here, any doubt here, you can ask. I know it will take some time to digest it, but in case of any query, you can ask. Now, considering this to be the center of circle, I'll connect it. I'll also drop this. I hope you agree with this. This is radius r. I want to find out it because the area of triangle cannot be determined without the value of r. I know that when these 2 points are connected, how much is this length? I know the total length is coming out to be 8. So this length is 4. This is 90 degrees. Is that fine? Clear, everyone? So I know this is coming out to be r and this is coming out to be 4 here. Fine. So baki kya nikalna hai isme? I want to find out the value of r from here. How can I do it? Come on. You know this portion, this thing is clear. This is also coming out to be 4. This is coming out to be 4. I know this is 45 degrees. Why? Because this whole length is 8. You are breaking it from middle. So this is And this is also going to be broken from the middle. So I know this is 4, this is 4. If you see this, you will say this is isosceles triangle. If it is 90 degree, this will be 45, this will be 45. Because of that, I can say this is 45 degree, my dear. So if this is 45 degree, this will be also 45 degree. So I know the length of both of them will be same as a RR, which is equal to 4. So you know root 2 R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4 by root 2. I can say R is equal to 2 root 2. That is what I am going to get the radius. What is the area of circle? Pi R square. What is area of ABCD? So R square is what? 2 root 2 square. So can I say that is 8 pi? 2 root 2 ka square, 2 ka square, 4 root 2 ka square is 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 pi is this. I believe it is clear. Let's talk about this one. Area of a trapezium we have already discussed in earlier class when the length are AB and I know the perpendicular distance between them. I told you it is half of A plus B into H. I believe you agree to this one. So it is 2 plus 14 into 8. That is 64 is the area of it. So 8 8 is 64. I'll say the answer is pi by 8. I hope, Jasween, you understand where you have made the mistake. You said pi by 4, my dear, it is half of that. So my answer comes out to be here, pi by 8 is the correct answer. Option number 4 this time. I request all of you to please ask if there is any doubt. Any point where you feel it is not clear, please ask me. Thank you, Jasween. You can also take the screenshot of this.
Sir, how are we sure that SQ is cutting the height in two parts, two equal parts?
How can, sorry?
How SQ is cutting the height in two equal parts, the 8 into 4 into 4?
Yeah, because it is the middle one, my dear. Look at this triangle. This is the middle point. Should I say this will be also coming out of the middle point? Why? Because the triangles are similar.
Okay.
Fine. Because of that reason, it will be dividing into equal parts. Fine. Any other thing which is not clear, please ask. Anshul, I have sent you the solution of 3 questions that you asked me. Have you got them or you still have confusion?
Sir, actually, I was a little busy in the office today. So
Achha, not a problem. So please do listen to them, and if there is a doubt, you can ask.
Okay.
So here is a beautiful question for you now. Let me explain it. Each side of polygon is like this. This is the figure that you are going to get. The figure will be like this. So you get a line which is parallel to this, or you get a line which is parallel to y-axis. Fine. Do you understand? So there's a polygon which is where the sides of every side of a polygon is either parallel to x-axis or y-axis. The corner of each polygon is said to be convex if the internal angle is 90 degree. So this one is convex. Why? It is convex because the internal angle is 90 degree. And this is concave where the internal angle is 270 degree. If the number of convex corner in such a polygon is 25. So if you know the convex corners are 25, 90 degree wale 25. So how many of them are of 270 degree? Fine. So try to get the answer of it. I give you a hint. Some of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is equal to the number of vertices, which is also equal to number of sides, which is equal to number of angles. Fine. Try out it now. Very good, Ritika and Jasri. Yes, and should. Well done, Tanya. Everyone is getting the same answer. I got 4 answers, all of them given the same. Good, Aman. Come on, others as well. Fine. So I think we should start it now. There are 25 angles which are convex, means the angle at this, the two sides are going to subtend a 90-degree angle. This happens 25 times. Say n times it is 270-degree angle. So what are the number of vertices that we got? I will say n plus 25 vertices are there. Minus 2 into 180 degree will be the sum of the interior angle of this polygon. 90 can be taken as a common. I can say 25 plus 3n is the value which is coming here. It is n plus 23 into 180 degree. I'll cancel this. I'll say 2 will come here. 3n plus 25 is equal to 2n plus 46. So n comes out to be 21. So how many angles are there which are concave? Fine. So I'll say there are 21. I believe it is clear to all of you. Please ask if there is a query. There is a question. Any one of you. Aditya, are you able to understand this? Nandini Bhardwaj. Aditya, Nandini, are you there? Okay, thank you. Yeah, Jobin. Jobin, I'm saying that there are 25 angles which are of 90 degree. So there are 25 vertices which are coming off to be 90 degree. There are some which I don't know, which are of 270 degree. So what I have done here is I've taken all these 270, n of them are of 270 degree, plus 25 of them are of 90 degree. It is equal to the total vertices will be n plus 25 minus 2 into 180 degree. You remember I have told you here n is the number of vertices. So if 25 already given and you are taking one as an n, the total of them will not be n now. It will be 25 plus. Is it fine now, Jobin? Okay. Let's try to get the answer of this. Come on, be fast. Okay, say that there's a triangle. Sorry, leave it. Come here. There's an equilateral triangle. Can you tell me how much is this exterior angle? This is 120 degree. If I'm talking about a square got all sides equal. How much is the exterior angle? This is 90 degree. So can I say exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 upon n. N is the number of sides there. In case of triangle, it is 3 sides. So it is 360 by 3 is 120. Here it is 360 by 4 is 90 degree. Of course, I'm talking about the regular figure. All of them should be equal. Otherwise, how will you determine it? So you understand that every exterior angle of a polygon, if it is a regular polygon, regular means all sides are equal, will be 360 upon n, where n are the number of sides of the polygon. Fine. The number of sides of two regular polygon are in the ratio. You got n into n side. The difference between exterior angle is 45 degree. So what I'll say is exterior angle is 360 by n. Exterior angle is 360 by 2n. I'll say it is 180 by n. It is 180 by n is equal to 45 degree. I'll cancel it. N is equal to 4. Fine. The number of sides in one of these polygon is 4 and other it is 8. I believe it is clear. Fine. So answer will be 8 here. Have a look at this. Ask me if there is a query. I have done it because I know most of you are not aware about this formula. Sorry, not giving you time, but I have already given you earlier. Is it clear? In case of any doubt, please ask. कुछ आपको लग रहा हो जो समझ में नहीं आया, कहीं आप अटक गए हैं, कोई पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपको समझ में नहीं आया, प्लीज आस्क. ठीक है जी, एक ही बोलता है वो जस्मीन भाटिया. Says it is clear. The rest of them are still thinking. हुआ क्या? A regular polygon of 12 sides is circumscribed by a circle. The ratio of the area of polygon to the circle will be what? So let's consider there's a circle and there's a polygon. 3, 3, 6 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what you do is you connect them. Connect them. Consider it to be coming at an equal gap. Fine. So this is the figure. Now 12 side is circumscribed by a circle. Find the area of the polygon. Upon the circle. Okay, what will be that ratio? Fine. So the regular polygon of 12 sides is circumscribed by a circle. So it is the 12 sides of that is given here, and that is circumscribed by circle. You can take it as a as. Can I say 360 degrees is the total angle subtended here? It is divided by 12, so every angle is 30 degrees. So I'll say this is 75, this is 75 degrees. Is it clear? Now find out the area of this polygon. Come on. At least you'll be doing this much. Fast, please. Good, Ritika, Jasween. I'm sure all of you know that civil services results are out today. Out of the 5 topper, 4 of them are girls. And frankly speaking, when we discuss, all teachers, there was a time when there were 10% or 12% or 15% of the girls who were present in the class. I'm talking about one generation back, that is 20 years ago. Today, I find, even if you count the number of females in this group, you will understand that. And the females who are going to answer, you will be always finding it more. So that is the reason why you'll be finding almost every field, you'll be finding females are doing better than males. I don't know, males are busy with so many things in their life. Fine, but I think it is a good news, very happy and impressed. And if you see the result, even in my society, there's a guy who made it to civil services, got 121 rank here. So I think males need some reservation in the future if they really want to do well. Fine, please pick it up and give me the answers. So here I will say, let's consider it to be A. What is the area of this polygon? Area of this triangle. I'm talking about this one. I'll say half of A into sine 30 degree. Do you agree with it? And there are 12 such. So I'll multiply by 12. So what do I get? I get 6a square into sine 30 is half. That is 3a square is the area of polygon. I believe it is clear. Now let's talk about the area of triangle. When you have taken it as a, area is pi a square. A square get cancelled out. You'll say 3 by pi is your answer. That is third one. I believe it is clear. It's so simple. I don't know what you are doing there. It's a polygon given with the 12 sides. And I will consider this to be A. When 360 degrees is divided in 12 parts, every part will be 30 degrees. So when there are two sides where the angle is 30 degrees, this is A will be the area of triangle. You remember my first class, I told you, area of triangle, it is half of the product of adjacent side into sine of angle between. Let's come to this one. I believe everyone understood it. वैसे भी आप कुछ बोलने वाले तो है नहीं. Let's come to this question. Try to find the answer out. By the way, if you talk about the regular pentagon, please listen here. Regular means all sides are equal, so all angle will be also equal. I have told you some of the interior angle of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. If it is regular, you will divide it by n. So it is thrice of 180 degree divided by 5. That is 36 into 3 is 108 degrees each angle. Every angle is 108 degree if it is regular. If all sides are equal, all angle would be also equal. When I'm talking about the hexagon, regular hexagon, all sides are equal, all angle will be also equal. I'll say it is 4 into 180 degree, n minus 2 लगता है इसलिए ऐसा करा. This is 2/3, which is 60, 120 degrees the angle coming. I think you needed this information, that's why I've taken it. Fine, come on, give me the answer now. How much is this x? Okay, Tanya, Jasween. Yeah, I would request both of you to again look at it. Though both of you have given the same answer. No, Ritika. Yes, Jasween, you got it correct. Well done. इधर देखिएगा जरा. How much is this degree? I hope you remember it is 108 degree. No, Shubham. No, Tanya. Both of these sides are equal. I want you to look at this triangle. In this triangle, if this angle is 108 degree and both of these sides are equal, what I'll do is I'll say that both of these angle are sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. So 72 ka half is 36 degree. This is 36 degree. This is 36. I hope it is clear. Now, how much is this angle? How much is this angle? You know, in hexagon, I told you this is 120 degree angle. This is 120 degree angle. But in pentagon, let me use some other color so that you can differentiate. This angle, I hope you understand. This angle is 108 degree. So what do I understand is this angle is 108, this is 36. That comes out to be 72 degrees. So this angle is 72 degree. Out of 120 degree angle, which we say 72 degree needs to be subtracted, it comes out to be 48 degree here. Yes, Shubham, now it is correct. Anubi ji, आपने मेरे ख्याल से calculation mistake किया है. Ritika, are you able to understand this? Tanya, answer is 48 degree here. You understand this? Anyone, any question, please ask. Why this 36? Because the triangle is an isosceles triangle. You know, two sides are same. This is 108. So this is 36 and this is 36. Now you know this, there is a pentagon which is coming here. So you know it is 108. I'll say 108 minus this is coming out to be 72 degree. Now you know this angle is 120 degree. So if this is 72 degree, how much will be this? Can I say 120 minus 72 is 48 degrees here? Answer is 48. Anshul, are you able to understand this? Ankit, Aditya, Ashwin, Jobin, Khushi Kumari, Nandini, Ritik. बाकी लोग नहीं बोलेंगे क्या? नाराज हो आप लोग, ऐसा लग रहा है. Okay, let's come to this one. Again, the question was asked in CAT. So could you find out the answer of this? Come on, try it first. There's only one important thing that you need to understand is area of triangle. Sorry, if the angle is not known, say this is theta degree. This is the area of triangle. FO is parallel to ED. AOF is 90 degree angle given here. The ratio of the area of triangle AOF ABCDEF. This is what you need to find out. Come on. एक और चीज बताना चाहता हूँ. If you know this angle and you are knowing about it, I can find out this value. कैसे? Perpendicular upon base, A upon B is equal to what? Tan theta. आपने सुना ही होगा. A upon C is equal to sin theta. Why? Because this is considered as a base where 90 and theta is going to come. So that is base. So this is A upon B is equal to tan theta. A upon C is equal to sin theta. Very nice, Anshul. You got it correct. Well done. Good, Aman. Well done. Good, Jasween. Aman Garg. No, Anubi, you need to check your answer again. Fast, please. Okay, Ashwin. Fine, here I go. I want everyone now to listen to me, please. Can I drop this if I'm going to complete it? This is A. I know this angle is in a regular hexagon, the angle is 120 degree. So half of that is 60 degree. I can say this is 30 degree. Fine. What is the area of this triangle? First thing is this, take it as a B and C. So what I'll do is I'll take this as a base. So C upon A, that is base upon hypotenuse, is cos 60 degree, which is half. So C is equal to A by 2. So this comes out to be C is equal to A by 2. What is the area of triangle AOF? We'll say half of A into A by 2 into sine of 60 degree. So A square by 4 into root 3 by 2. That is root 3 A square by 8 is the area of this portion. So what is the area of this? Root 3 by 4 A square, where A is the side of this hexagon considered. Fine, clear this? So what is the area of AFE? I'll say that is double, twice of root 3 by 4 A square. AOF is upon 8th IRA. So this will be upon 8. I'll say it is upon 4. That is what is coming here. So I'll double this, and from there it is coming out to be root 3 A square by 4. Because of symmetricity, I'll say the same thing for this one as well. Can I say this is a rectangle whose area I can find out easily? How much is B? I can say B is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine 16, which is root 3 by 2. So my B's value comes out to be root 3 by 2A. Fine. So this whole length, what is the area of triangle ABDE? Rectangle, you can say. I'll say B is this is B. So this is 2B is root 3A into this is A. This is root 3A square. I believe it is clear. So what is the area of hexagon? Fine. So I'll say it is root 3 by 4. A square is the area of one portion on this. I'll double this. Plus it is root 3 A square. So can I say it is 3 by 3 root 3 A square by 2 is the area of hexagon. How much is area of one portion? Area of triangle AOF upon hexagon ABCDEF comes out to be what? I'll say it is root 3 by 8 A square. I'll say it is 3 root 3 by square upon this. I believe it is clear. This get cancel out, this get cancel out. I'll say it is 2 upon 8 into 3, or I'll say this is 4, or it is 1 by 12. The answer is 1 by 12. That is option number first here. I believe it is clear. Please ask if there is a doubt. This is one way to get the answer. You know, mathematical way, no logic. You go by maths, you will get your answer. Anyone, any doubt, any question you can ask. Anyone. Okay, let's do one more thing. I know this is 60 degree. This is A. This is B. Say B upon A, base upon this is cos 60, which is half. ये आपको trigonometry में इतना तो आना ही चाहिए. So I'll say this is A by 2. Fine. What is B? That is A by 2. If I extend it, I'll extend this. Can I say this is also A by 2? This is A, I'll divide it in two parts. I'll say this is A by 2, this is A by 2. I'll connect it. Now, you know, all of them are equal in length. If the area of this is X, this will be X, this is X, this is X, this is X. All of them are X. How many X are coming there? 12X are coming. How much is one area? X by 12X, which is 1 by 2. So area of AOF upon hexagon ABCDEF is 1 by 12. You can also go by this way. Have a look at this. Ask me if there is any doubt. But without knowing that it is A by 2, you cannot do it. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं पे भी कुछ भी लगा दे. There must be some logic. कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो आप पूछ लीजिए. Shubham, is it clear to you? Ashwin? Thank you. Okay, Khushi, just being. Ashwin, I hope I'm audible to you, my dear. Come on, try to find out the answer of this. Okay, Tanya ji. Good, Jasmine. Okay, Anubhi, Aman Garg, Jasmine and Tanya have already given answer earlier. Yes, everyone is giving the same answer. Fine, Shubham, Nandini. Very nice. Ashwin, I called up your name twice. I hope you are there. Or you just logged in and left? So if the side of regular octagon are extended to form a star-shaped figure, so I have a proof that I called up your name so many times, but you are not there. Finally, there's a reply. You know, just watch the recording, you will find how many times your name has been called. There's an octagon. This is regular octagon, my dear. Okay, fine. So a regular octagon is there, and if you understand this, that all 8 sides are coming out to be same. Fine. So I know the sum of the interior angle is 6 into 180 degree divided by 8. That is 3 by 4th, which is 135 degrees, the angle which is coming. Every angle is 130. Now here it says that you extend the sides. You extend the sides. And it is a star-shaped figure that is going to come up. This is what is happening here. I hope you understand this star-shaped figure. So now what happened is, this is 135. Can I say this is 45? This is 45. Regular figure. So can I say the sum of the interior angle is equal to 180 degree? That's why it is coming out to be 90 degree. I don't think it takes more than this much time. Some of you are still stuck there. So please ask if there is any doubt here. I think I've already told you some of the interior angle of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Because it is regular, every side and every angle will be same. For that reason, I can say the angle comes out to be 135 degree. Each angle comes out to be 135. Now these are extended sides, so I know they are straight lines. So this is 45, 45. So this angle comes out to be 90 degree. Fine. Now let's take up this question here. Try to solve this. This is related to octagon. That's why we are taking it. You know, you should be aware about what happens in hexagon, what happens in octagon. For that reason only we are taking these examples. Otherwise, I could say कि ठीक है कर लिया बाकी कर लेना, and we'll discuss some new topic here. Come on, try out it. Okay, here I go. Not a problem. I'm sure by now you have understood what is this figure. Okay, there's one reply. Okay, Tanya. Here I go. Let's forget it for some time. What is this angle theta? Why? Because WPQ is the angle that I want to find out. So I know the angle is coming out to be, I know whenever it is a regular octagon, it is 8 into 180, 6 into 180 degree upon 8. We just did it though. So this is 45 into 3 is 135 degrees, the angle which is coming here. So theta is 120. Let's talk about PVQ, this angle. Now what I do here is I can say this side must be parallel to this side. Why? Look at this. This is like this type of figure. This is equal, this is equal, this is regular. So I can say this one is parallel to this one. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? ये वाला पोर्शन, ये पोर्शन अगर आप देखें, इनको कनेक्ट कर रहा है. Because of symmetricity, this side is equal to this side. This is also equal, so I'll say this must be a parallel to this one. याद है ये कहा था कि जब मिडिल पॉइंट होगा आप लाइन खींचोगे if they are equal. So here also it is coming out to be equal. So can I say this line will be parallel to this one line? So it is a trapezium and some of the opposite angle will come out to be 180 degree. So can I say what is this angle? How much is this angle? This angle comes out to be 135 degree. Can I say the angle here is coming out to be 45 degree? Is that fine? Is that clear? See here again. I'm saying that this is the angle that I want. This whole angle is coming out to be 45 degree. But I'm also talking about the combination of this angle. I don't want this whole angle. I want the angle like this. I hope you can understand this portion here. Look here. It is P, V, and Q. So for a second, you forget about PV. I'll say this will be parallel to this. This is 135, so this is 45 degree. This whole is 45. But I wanted this angle, only this one angle to be there. Is that fine? If you talk about this triangle, my dear, when it is 135, both of the sides are equal. The sum of them is 45. Can I say it is 45 by 2? So if this whole is 45, this is 45 by 2. This angle is also 45 by 2, which is 22.5. So out of 135, if you are going to separate 22.5, I'll say it is 102.5, or sorry, 112.5 is the angle. Second is the correct answer. Very good, Tanya, you got it correct.
Sir, will not
Sorry,
the answer be
fourth. Sorry. Yeah, Ashwin, it is clear. It is correct. Tanya, is it clear? It is 112.5. Sorry, this is fourth one is 112.5. So answer is fourth one. Anyone, any doubt here you can ask. Any one of you. Thank you, Shubham. Here comes the next question again based on the same concept. Please have a look and try to answer it now.
Sir, I'm sorry, but can you go back to the previous question?
Yeah, ma'am, why not?
Can you just tell how did you say that UQ is parallel to WP?
Yeah, UQ is parallel to this one.
How did you say that?
Do you know that this is a regular polygon?
Yes.
Okay, this is regular polygon. Now, when you are talking about the figure like this, if you are going to connect, look at this. This is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. I'm going to connect V and Q here. Look at this figure. These two sides are equal. Is that fine?
Yes.
These two sides are coming out to be equal. So I can say this is like a trapezium where the two sides are coming out to be equal. So that is the only condition. Second thing is you can also connect it like this. You'll also find the similar type of figure will be forming on this one. So this is one trapezium that we are forming on this side. This is the second trapezium we are going to find. The second thing is, even if you don't go by this way, I'll connect this and I can say this is going to form 90-degree angle. Now it is a rectangle. Why? Because this is equal, this is equal. This length must be equal to this one. You got a rectangle here. So 90 degree है तो मैम यहाँ पर ये 45 degree होगा because the total angle in a octagon is coming out to be 135 degree.
Okay, sir, got it.
Is it fine? Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you for coming back.
Let's go to the next one. Okay, here I go. Again, it is PQ. R S. Here we go. Just so it is a regular octagon. These are the values, these are the vertices which are given. Each side is of 2. XY UT is a square. XY UT. X and Y are inside octagon. XY UT. Fine. You should be writing them in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So I'll say XY UT is a square given here. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. All of them are 2. Square, all sides are equal. Find the area of PQ R X. This is what I need to find out. I need to find out the area of this hexagon which is left there. Fine. So the first part of this is I need to find out the length of this. If I draw the line, I hope all of you understand this. So it is like this trapezium, where this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. I need to find out this length. Fine. I believe it is clear. So ये वाला length आपको निकालना है. This angle is already given as a 135 degree. This is also 135 degree. So I know both of them are 45 degree, 45 degree. ठीक है? I can draw perpendicular to this one. मैं ऐसे ऐसे करके perpendicular इसमें drop कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है? I'll draw perpendicular to this one so that I can find out this length. Now, when you drop a perpendicular to this is 90 degree. I hope you understand. This is 45 degree. This is 90 degree. क्योंकि square बनाता है ये 45 degree हो गया. This is 2. So what I do is I'll say this is perpendicular P upon 2 is equal to sine 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2. So P is 2 by root 2, which is root 2 here. So this comes out to be root 2. Yes. Can I find out the area of trapezium? ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Area of trapezium, it is WPUV. It is half of sum of the parallel side. So this comes out to be what? What is the value of this? Root 2 आ गया. Similarly, because it is also 45 degree, this will be also coming out to be root 2. ऐसे ही अगर आप यहाँ से भी drop करेंगे, आपको root 2 मिलेगा. And this value is coming out to be 2. Do you agree with it? So it is root 2. What is the length of this? What is the length of PU? So I'll say it is 2 root 2 plus 2 is the length of it. Have a look. Please ask if there is any doubt. I'm erasing it so that you can see here what is going on. So what happened is, if I'm going to extend the line like this, where this is 2. So when you drop the perpendicular to them, this comes out to be root 2. ये वाला portion is root 2. And this must be equal to 2 क्योंकि perpendicular and 90 degree drop is what we are doing here. So this is also root 2. So that's why PU is 2 root 2 plus 2 is the length of it. Is it clear so far? So what is the area? What do I want? I want the area of this portion. ये वाले portion का मुझे area निकालना है. तो इसमें क्या हो गया जी? इसमें से ये वाला ट्राइंगल का एरिया हम अलग कर देते हैं. Yes, I hope it is clear. Find out the area of PQ this. तो हम क्या करेंगे? I'll be connecting this. तो connecting ये करने के लिए मुझे एक तो इसका एरिया चाहिए, plus these two portion का एरिया चाहिए, plus इस वाले portion का एरिया चाहिए. That will be sufficient to give me the answer. पूरे हेक्सागन के एरिया में से ये बता देता हूं तो मेरा आंसर आ जाएगा. Do you agree with it? I'm repeating it again. आप इसे ऐसे भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आप इसे ऐसे भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो ये दो ट्राइंगल है, ये एक ट्राइंगल है, एक ट्राइंगल ये, और ये बीच में एक हेक्सागन है. इस hexagon में this side is 2, this whole length is 2 plus 2 root 2. If I subtract 2, I'll say this length is 2 root 2. I believe it is clear. So what is the area of this portion? 2 into 2 root 2, which is 4 root 2. I believe it is clear. The area of this portion is 4 root 2. This one is square, rectangle, sorry. ये वाला triangle का area भी निकाला जा सकता है. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree because both the lengths are coming out to be same. I believe it is clear. So what is the angle which is left here? तो यहाँ पर कितना angle बचा है? Can I find out this? I know the length of this. I know the height of this. I can find out the area of this portion. जो इसका area आएगा triangle का वही area इसका भी होगा. Please ask if there is any doubt. Let me repeat it. From earlier version, I find out the length of this. P was what I am writing. I was writing it as a root 2 here. Fine. This is root 2, so this is also root 2. Now, what is the length of this? The length of this is 2 root 2 plus 2 minus 2 is 2 root 2. So I will say area of triangle is half of root 2 into 2 root 2. This get cancel out, I'll get 2. So what do I get? I get the area of this triangle is 2. So area of this triangle is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 4 root 2 is your answer. Is there any answer like this? Yes, I think third one is correct. Sorry, this root 2 will go here. It is 4 root. 4 root 2. This root 2 sign will come here. Plus 4 will be your answer. I believe it is clear. Anyone, any question? Please ask on it. I drop a perpendicular from this. I know this length is this. I know it is 90 degrees. So this is 45 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 45 degree. Both of these values are root 2. So from this, I can say this is also root 2. I can find out the length of this whole portion, that is 2 root 2 plus 2 is the length. I know this is a square with a length of 2. I'll subtract that. So the upper portion will come out to be 2 root 2 plus 2 minus 2. The upper portion is 2 root 2. This whole portion is 2 root 2. This is root 2. Area of this is coming out to be 2 only. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus area of this rectangle will come out. Is that fine? Clear, everyone? Please ask if there is any doubt. Sorry, there is some distortion. If you look at your PDF, there is nothing wrong. It is 4 root 2 plus 4 would be given as one option. Thank you. Okay, let's come to this question. Yeah, आप निकाल लेना यार. I'll send you also the solution. In a regular hexagon of side 4 cm, the midpoint of 3 alternate sides are joined in order to form a triangle. What is the ratio of area of triangle to that of hexagon? This is hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F is a hexagon. The alternate sides, middle point are connected and form a triangle. What is the ratio of the triangle is to hexagon? I believe it is clear. Okay, alternate side means if this side is taken, I'm not going to take this side. Then I'll take this side. I'll not take this side. I'll take this side. Fine. देखो try out. Okay, here I go. I think it will take otherwise more time. I would say that let's cancel this first. You remember we just discussed. I drop a perpendicular from here. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. I know this is A, so this comes out to be 60 degree here. So this comes out to be A by 2. You remember that we just discussed that it is 60 degree. So it is base upon hypotenuse is cos 60. Cos 60 is half. That's why it was coming out to be A by 2. This is also A by 2. Agreed? So I know the length of this total is coming out to be what? A by 2 plus A by 2. This total length is 2A. This is A, this is 2A. If you are going to connect the middle point, you remember a trapezium when the middle point are connected, the length of this is A, this is B, this is half of A plus B. Kuch yaad aaya aapko? So if it is given as a 4, so I'll say this is 8, half of that will be 6. Now here also you are going to connect, I will say with the same property, I can say this is 4, this is 8, this is 6. This one is 6. So this is an equilateral triangle which each side is equal to 6. The area of that is root 3 by 4, 6 square is the area of. I'm talking about the area of triangle. What is the area of hexagon? Why to worry? Can I connect all of these vertices to the center of? So I'll say each angle will be 60 degree. When two sides are equal, so I will say these angle will also come out to be 60 degrees. So they are equilateral triangle. How many equilateral triangle are there? There are 6 equilateral triangle. The area of every equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. That is 4 square. I believe it is clear. Cancel 6. Root 3 by 4. Can I say it is 6 is to 16? Or I'll say 3 is to 8 is the ratio of this. My dear, the answer is 3 is to 8 here. Have a look at this. Ask me if there is a query. Any doubt till this point? Any one of you?
Not understood how you have found the area of the triangle.
Not understood? How did I find
The area of triangle.
the area of triangle? Did you understand that this portion is coming out to be 6?
Yes.
With the same property, can I say this is also 6? Look at this.
Okay, got
यहाँ
it.
पर भी तो यही काम किया है, middle point
हाँ जी,
में
हाँ जी,
connect किया है.
हाँ जी.
So this will be also coming out to be 6. So this will be also coming out to be 6. What is the area of equilateral triangle with side 6? Root 3 by 4, 6 square. Do you agree?
ठीक है, got it.
अच्छा, फिर सबको center पे connect कर दिया. There are 6 equilateral triangle with side equal to 4. So that is root 3 by 4, 4 square into 6. I'll cancel it. I'll cancel this one. So it is 6 by 16, which is 3 by 8. Fine. Let's come to the last question. Here I go. What is GP? GP geometric progression. Means if there's a value A, the other value will multiply with AR. The common ratio of this is R. The next value is again further multiplied with R. AR cube, AR to the power 4. All of them are in GP. Geometric progression means A, B, C, D are in GP. Means B upon A is equal to C upon B is equal to D upon C. The common ratio will be coming there. This is geometric progression. Arithmetic progression means the difference between the term is coming out to be same. So B minus A is same as the C minus B is same as the D minus C. The common difference between them is same, or you can write the number as A plus D, A plus 2D. D is a common difference, A plus 3D and so on and so forth. These are in arithmetic progression. Now, what is the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral? किसी को कुछ आता है क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं?
360 degree.
Thankfully. So I'll say it is 1 plus R square plus R cube is coming out to be 360 degree. I believe it is clear. Okay, Anshu. So the common ratio is an integral value. Integral value, if you are putting R is equal to 1, every angle will come out to be 90 degree. Exactly two of the angles are obtuse and none of the angle is right angle. कोई भी 90 degree का नहीं है. So I'll say at R is equal to 1, it does not satisfy all angles are equal. I put R is equal to 2. Why? Because it is written common ratio is an integer value. You cannot have negative angle. So इसलिए -2 मत लीजिएगा. You have to take angle which is 1, 2, 3, 4 integral value. I'll say 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 360. 12, 14, 15. A into 15 is equal to 360. 15, so this is 24 degree. So what does that mean? A is 24. AR is 48. AR square is 96. AR cube is equal to 192. So exactly two are acute and two are obtuse and none of them is 90 degree. I'll say, okay, this can be the answer. What if R is equal to 3? I'll say A 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. 30 plus 10 is 40 is equal to 360. A is equal to 9 degree again. What is 3A? 3A is 27 degree. What is 9A? 81 degree. What is 27A? That is 243. Here, 3 of the angle are coming out to be acute here. But in the question, it is given only 2 of them are acute. So what does that mean? That means, sorry, 2 are acute, so 2 of them will be obtuse. So I know exactly 2 of them are obtuse here, only 1 of them is obtuse. I'll say, no, this is not going to apply. So only this is the applicable one and the highest angle is coming out to be 192 degree. That is option number 3 here. Is it fine, clear to all of you now? This is the last question. I would say that all of you are able to understand this. Any question where you find any difficulty, you feel it is not yet clear, you can ask. Fine, everyone? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Khushi, Anshul, Shubham, Jasween, Tanya, Ashwin. Anyone, any query, anything you wish to ask? कुछ भी आपको लगा हो समझ में नहीं आया, ठीक है? So I believe it is clear to all of you. In the next class on Wednesday, I'm going to take arrangements. हाथ जोड़ के आपसे विनती करता हूँ, please do complete that exercise, because then only I'll be taking directly questions. Yeah, Anubhi, I'll send you the solution. Fine, I'm just going to send you the solution. Okay, thank you everyone.